Hello guys. So today we will be talking mostly about data structures and algorithms. I have not uploaded videos on the crawl data from a long time, so I will try to upload the videos every alternate week or every week as soon as possible. So what I have targeted for the next month is two things. First thing is the AWS, so mostly related to AWS architecture, like how we will be making a big data architecture on a cloud with respect to AWS. That I will be making a playlist for that. And another thing is DSA, like when you are going for a data engineering interview, at least some DSA if you have in your profile, then you there is possibility that you will be shortlisted for some product based good companies. So I am also learning and I will be researching a lot about this topic. So what my target is to share my learnings as well as good approaches as well as the questions and from where you can learn, and mostly the important questions, like you must not be having a time to do multiple number of questions. So I have sorted out some of the questions, like as you can see in my screen in the arrays I have shortlisted 26 questions. So this 26 questions will give you a clarity like how arrays will be working, and this will clear most of the issues and most of the problems you will find on the lead code. Like here I have given the links for the GFG. So for the learning purpose you can use GFG. I will be sharing this link in the description, so you can take up this link and go through GFG, or you can create a timetable for yourself. Like my videos will be coming every weekend, or I will be uploading for example on Saturdays or Sundays, like 5-6 videos on Saturdays, like that. But if you want to make a schedule, you can learn from this sheet. So these are the 26 questions. And one more thing, like all these questions are also available on Geeks for Geeks, so you can practice them there. It's not necessary like you have to practice only on Geeks for Geeks, because Geeks for Geeks has a good platform for learning, but for practicing I think lead code is much better. And here are 22 linked list questions. These are also sorted and very good questions, and these are asked in some very good product based companies, and these are also helpful for software developers. But for data engineers also, like this will help you a lot. Like I am also learning all of those things, so I will be sharing a lot related to this. So stacks and queues 13 questions, searching and sorting, trees, strings. Strings are very much asked in most of the interviews. Like I have given interviews for many companies, so mostly strings, arrays, these are the things that are asked in many companies. Heap, divide and conquer, greedy algorithms, so related to algorithms also, backtracking, heaps, dynamic programming. So for everything I have shortlisted some of the questions. So I think you are happy with all of these questions. Like these are the questions which are asked in good companies, and you will be learning a lot from these questions. So please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. I will be sharing more tips on AWS data architecture, on big data, as well as on DSA algorithms. I told you, like I will be uploading this all questions solved, as well as all the approaches and explanation to every question. And if you have any doubt, or if you want some more videos on big data or anything related to Airflow or anything, just comment it out, so I will be creating a playlist for that. So please subscribe to the channel. This is my new channel. I hope you will find whatever the content available on this channel useful, and please share it on your groups or with your friends and help me grow this channel. Thank you so much.